black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use black color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for goat. It's neither H. The alphabets of H and use yellow color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. It's neither O. The alphabets of O and use blue color. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. Kids, neither V. The alphabets of V and use green color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for telephone. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use red color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. It's neither 19. The numbers of 19 and use blue color. Blue color. This is 19. This is 20. This is 21. This is 22. This is 23. This is 24. This is 25. It's neither 26. The numbers of 26 and use black color. "27. This is 28. This is 29. This is 30. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use black color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use green color. The alphabets of E. Kids neither numbers and first letter 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. Kids neither 2. The numbers of 2 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T W or 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3 and use blue color. T H R W 3. The numbers of 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4 and use black color. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color. Green color. F I V E 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.